Hey guys, I'm at Hobby Lobby. Yes, you know I never, hardly ever make it here because it's not, it's not close to home. So, oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm loving this pattern right here, $5.99 for 20 plates. Yeah, that's really pretty. The napkins are up here to match. Yeah, it's a lot of the plates, and I'll move slow so you can see a lot of the table decor, right? Some scatter and things, plate decor, some trays. Oh, these are pretty. These are $3.49. I feel like it's 40% off of all this fall good. So, yes on that. Remember, everything is 40% off. So this is $12.99 on this with the 40. Some bags, some of the molds are up here. These are tiny pumpkins. Oh my goodness, I love this. I don't think I have anything this small. This is perfect. I think I want it in the cart. Some of the baking cups are here. $4.99. It's 200 in here. This is pretty for the season. Oh, I was a few different patterns in there. Oh, I like this too. In the cart. Some scarecrows over here, small, right, medium, big. A ton of pumpkins. Oh my goodness. This is fire. Oh, I love this big old pumpkin. That is pretty. Let me see how much. So that one is 50 with the 40 off. I do like this table runner right here. Oh, there's another one down there, but it doesn't have this on it. So these are the only two that's left. Wow. So 19 bucks with the 40 off. I think I'm gonna hold on to it for a minute and decide. In the cart. I am definitely in trouble. Wow. Look at the napkin rings. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Look at the pumpkin. Girl, I cannot. Look at the Sherpa on the pumpkin. That is adorable. Some sunflowers rocking. I'm thinking about that. Like, I feel like that's the road I'm gonna travel with the kitchen, maybe. I think, oh man, look at the pumpkin spoons down here. At first I thought they were measuring spoons. They're just spoons for $3.99. Yeah, they're just the spoons. Some of the drying mats, $6.49. This one right here, these are both, I think I'm really feeling this one. Yeah, so just so you know, $6.49 is going to end up being somewhere around $3.60, $3.75. $7.49 for the pumpkin riser. I think I want it. I think I'm late. It's so much. Like, where is this? Yeah, this is probably popular. In the cart. The butter dishes are here. I'm really feeling this. $11.99. So yes on that. The Acorn salt and pepper shakers down here. Are these candle holders? No. I was gonna say it'll be on a slant. It's toothpick holders. Get out of here. That's cute. Acorn dish for $8. Just remember, if I'm saying the prices, it's 40% off of that. I do not have a pumpkin spoon rest. And I really do love this. I think I'm gonna grab it. $7.99 in the cart. And here's the orange one here, Fall Sweet Fall. Some of the mini loaf pans. These are $6. This is just tableware. That's what they're calling it. You can also use this as a spoon rest too. Honestly, $3 on that. Some more down here. These are $4.49. Salad plate, right? These are $10. Sponge holder, $8. Salt and pepper shakers up here for $8. A lot of the towels. Oh my goodness, look at all of that. These are down here. Here's the pie plate. This one right here is $32. Oh, this is here. I think it's the workers. Oh, it's more table runners down there in a bin. But this one is right here. So, okay. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. That screams farmhouse to me. Oh my goodness. This is $5 for this. Here's the set of four for $19. Here's the picture here. This is 22. Look how tiny. Look how tiny this is. This is $4.50. Oh my goodness. This pattern is fire. I love it. Here's a bowl tucked in here. Yeah, this was a popular collection, right? Is this new for this year, I feel like? Because everything is gone for the most part. Here's the bin with the table runners. Girl, oh my goodness. How cute is this one too? Oh my goodness. And I love it with the sunflowers too. This one is $8.49. The coasters for $9. Aren't they so pretty? I love the scalloped edges. $9. Oh, is this another one? Oh no. These are the placemats. Okay. How much are these? $6.99. Miss Girl, now you know I'm crazy. I just turned around. On the other side is all of the table runners. So that end cap was just probably like an overflow. Miss Girl, oh my goodness. So the pumpkins are rocking. Here, this is that real thick. This is the table runner to go with the placemats we just saw. Oh wow, this is the one to go with the new pattern, right? Girl, I love this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so it's a ton of them. The solids are here and everything. Here are the pumpkins. I wanted to get up close with this one. Okay. Yeah, so oh my goodness, look. They're so pretty and everything's 40% off. Miss Girl, you better stop it on that with the tiny. Look at that. Hello Pumpkin. Oh my goodness, look at this one. The bowls and things. Oh, everything's so cute. And the tumblers are here. These are 16. And the bigger ones are 18. So yeah, oh my goodness. These are $5.99. Did I say? $6. Mini spice. You better stop it on that. That is adorable. $14. $5. Aren't they so cute? I cannot. Look, that is insane. $5. They are so cute. The sign is right above me. This would end up being 13, roughly around $13. That is pretty, right? I don't need it. I'm so tempted. Oh my goodness. And then these up here, the minis. Now this one, I don't know. This one will end up being $9. $9. I might have to do it. I might have to. In the cart. The sipper is up here. Isn't that cute? That is adorable. $4.49. So like $2 something. Thankful, grateful, and blessed on the books. Isn't it so pretty? $5.99. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. So pretty. So this is, I think it ends up being like $3.50 something. These are adorable. They end up being $2 and some change. Pumpkin spice season. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. Now how adorable is that? Pumpkin patch. You pick pumpkins. 25 cents. And then some of these signs are up here. Nice and thick too. Oh, I love this one. Thankful and blessed. I really love this one. $4.99. $5 on that one. And then this one right here. Hello Fall. I think it's the plate in the front that I like. It's different. Miss Girl, I just got Dollar Tree vibes with this one actually. That is funny. This is a $5.49 with the 40 off. I mean, of course, Dollar Tree's isn't this perfect, right? With the words and all. And it's a little bigger but thinner, I feel like. So, you know. But this is fire. Stay Cozy is the white one. Oh, it's a pair of socks here. 2 pair. That's Woodstock on there, I think. And Give Thanks. Oh my goodness, I light up. This is $8.49. I'm looking at the sign. A little over $5, I feel like. That's worth it. I want it. In the cart. Try Me. This is a light up too. Oh, that's pretty. $25.99. And the trees. You pulled a tab on that one. Wait a minute, let me find one with a price. $6.99. Oh, here are the bigger ones. $15.99. And then some light up pumpkins and things. Some of these signs right here with the beads and all. Let's get cozy. Farm fresh pumpkins. I think those are the only two. And then they have, you know, like the tier tray type of kit going on. These are $10. I think I am going to pick up these two. They end up being $1 and some change in the cart. Some of the mugs and things here on the end cap. Isn't it so pretty? Oh my goodness. That is pretty. The espresso mug is $6.49. So this is where I need to be careful because I'm really big on florals and things, and I need the fakery for sure. And already, girl, already. Oh my. Oh, is that gonna fall? Yeah. Oh my goodness. $18.99. I'm picking these up that fell over. Is that 18? Oh, yes. $18.99. I do need one, though. Let me find a good one. In the cart. Some candles and things. Some, you know, wreaths up there and all. Okay. I'm back at the pumpkins. Look at that. These were on the other end. Wow. Look at these beautiful colors. Oh, my goodness. That is pretty. It's almost magical, I feel like. So I feel like this is in my cart on TikTok or something. I remember seeing these and I wanted one so bad. The lighted trees, so I think I'm gonna grab it. $16.99 in the cart. Aren't these so pretty? Oh my goodness. $10 on the soap dispensers. I feel like I'm getting into a little bit of Thanksgiving over here, but this is what's rocking. There is this pumpkin I'm looking for, and it lights up. Like the stem lights up. That's what I'm looking for. When I saw this, it reminded me of that. So, isn't this pretty though? $12.99. This one too. This is very different. Oh my goodness, I love this. $10.99. So that will bring it to about $5. Right around $6, somewhere around there, a little over $6. It's different. I really like it. In the cart. And you know what else? It's wood. It looks like a wicker or rattan, right? But it's wood, and I think that's why I like it so much too. So, back in the cart. Oh, I love these so much. How much are the smaller ones? $10. Remember, we saw the big one in the beginning. A couple things rocking over here. Oh wow, hold on. I walked right past the garland. So a lot of that is rocking. Well, not too much actually. Some mats and throws are over here. And this is just a whole aisle of leaves and garland and, you know, all of the picks, right? To kind of put together your own vibe. Yeah. So that's what's going on over here. So I think I've reached the end. I feel like pumpkin pie pillows and things. Some mats over here. Okay. Let me walk around again and see if I can find this pumpkin. Isn't it so cute? Oh my goodness, so fluffy. $17.99. There's a green one over here with some specks and things in there. It feels like a sweater. I love it. So I saw this earlier and I'm thinking. I'm talking about bringing the traditional, you know, fall colors back, and $15.99. So I don't know. I kind of like it. And I feel like I know exactly where I would want to put it. So I'm going to put it in the cart and decide when I get to the register. In the cart. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. And you know why? Because it's 4. And we're a family of 4. I always see 3. And oh my goodness. That is cute. I have to. In the cart. Oh, and there's some more over here on the end cap. I was walking by. Yeah, this is so pretty. $16.99. I feel like for the most part. Let me see. $9.99 for this one. All right, so let me see what's rocking. So I'm not 100% sold on this one. That might go back. I'm definitely getting the pumpkin, the lighted leaf tree. I'm not wowed. This might go back too. Let me throw this up here. Yes, yes on this. Oh my goodness. Oh, the tray. I forgot I put this in here. Girl. So yes on that. The light up drink, right? I just put this in here. I think I'm gonna keep it. I really like it. I feel like that is definitely the fall colors, right? So, yes on the mugs. Oh my goodness, I forgot about the spoon rest. Girl. That and then a couple of these down here. Oh, that's two. Oh my goodness. So some mini chocolates going on, right? All right, yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go. I had so much fun, but I need to ask about this lighted pumpkin. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, I forgot these. $5. Oh, they're nice and thick too. Throw this right in the corner. I like these. Pumpkin spice latte. The whole recipe is on there. Apple pie and pumpkin pie. So a little over two, right? 250-ish, 260 for that. Oh my goodness. I'm on the other side of the store now because I saw more fally good, right? But nothing with the light on the top of the pumpkin. Darn. Okay. And I didn't know these. This is the one I just grabbed, but it also comes in this one. Oh, they filled it out a little bit, you know, pulled the leaves out and things, the branches. So that's pretty. All right, I'm gonna go now. I'll see you soon. Bye.